Principal Madam, Vice Principals, HODs, teachers, and my dear students. My felicitation to all on the occasion of Guru Purnima. Happy Guru Purnima to all of you. It is indeed my privilege to introduce before you the Students' Council 2021-22 with their maiden performance here on this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima. As they put forward to you their hard work, they seek the blessings of their gurus and teachers today. So, with this small introduction, I hand over the platform to the members of the Students' Council 2021-22.
जो प्रेरणा दे, जो सूचना दे, जो पाठ करे, जो मार्गदर्शन करे, जो शिक्षा दे और जो बोध कराए, ये 6 गुरु माने गए हैं. This means the one who inspires, one who informs, one who recites, one who guides, one who teaches, and the one who awakens. These are the 6 gurus to be remembered. A very good morning to one and all. I am Shubham Mira, BSc Chemistry.
Whatever is not from the Guru cannot be obtained from elsewhere. With the grace of the Guru, one indeed gets. A very good morning to one and all. Myself, Shakti Swami from TY BSc Chemistry. Guru Purnima is celebrated to honor our teachers who remove the darkness from our minds. They have had a special place in the lives of the followers since ancient times. All the holy books of Hinduism dictate the importance of gurus and the extraordinary bond between a guru and his Sishya. An age-old Sanskrit phrase, Mata Pita Guru Devam, says that first place is reserved for the mother, second for the father, third for the guru, and fourth for God. Thus, teachers have been given a higher place than God in Hindu tradition.
Now, I call upon Sharon Israel to formally welcome the gathering.
Namaste and good morning to all. Respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal and our dear teachers. As you all are aware, we have connected to this virtual platform today on the occasion of the Guru Purnima. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to extend the welcome address in this event. A warm welcome to our Principal Ma'am to this program. Ma'am is the driving force and inspiration for all activities in our college. And despite being in lockdown, we have been able to do many events and activities throughout the year. A hearty welcome to all the Vice Principal, HODs and our teachers to this event. We are blessed to have good teachers and your words of wisdom and advice would always be remembered and put in practice in our future life. On behalf of the Student Council, we extend a cheerful welcome to all teachers and other staff members present. Last but not the least, a genuine welcome to all the students and student volunteers to this program. Thank you all, and now sit back and enjoy our brief program.
Thank you, Sharon. Now, we have a recorded Vandana sung by Shreya Iyer.
Good morning to our respected principal, vice principal, teachers and my dear friends. Myself Shreya Iyer from TYBMS and I am going to sing a song on the occasion of Guru Purnima. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namah. गणनायकाय गणदेवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानन्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदेवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलाचैत्री गुरुधर्म सदाराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्री गुरुपाखण्डकण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Such a blissful performance by Shreya. Now, I would like to call Sharon Israel to express her views on Guru Purnima.
A pleasant good morning to Honorable Principal, respected teachers and all my dear friends. Myself Sharon Israel, student of SYBCom. Guru Purnima is a festival or a ritual of Hindus which is celebrated as a dedication showing respect and gratitude to the teachers and gurus that may be spiritual, academic or cultural gurus. The gurus or the teachers have a special place in the hearts of various religions. It is a festival that is celebrated in the memory of great sage Maharishi Ved Vyasa. This great saint edited the 4 Vedas. He also wrote the 18 Puranas and Mahabharata. India is the only place where gurus have been given a lot of importance and where there are a lot of followers and disciples. Guru have been existing since the ancient times and it is still a part of all our lives. The gurus teach us about the importance and cycle of life, and it is because of the gurus that we believe in the existence of immortals and outside the world. Guru is not only physical form but also the form of energy by which knowledge is transmitted to the individual. There is an aura that can be felt in the presence of Guru. Guru can be parent, the guide of a life, and be the care of peace in our minds. This is why we celebrate Guru Purnima. I will conclude by conveying my gratitude and respect to all gurus present here and wishing that their grace remain on each one of us and illuminate our lives. Best wishes of Guru Purnima. Thank you.
Thank you, Sharon, for expressing your views. Now, we have another recorded Vandana sung by Srishti Singh.
Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayan Vasudeva Shri Krishna Govinda Hare Murari He Nath Narayan Vasudeva Pitu Mat Swami सखा हमारे पितु मात स्वामी सखा हमारे हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा तुमसे है धरती तुमसे है अंबर अग्नि सातों समंदर, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा, श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा। गोविंद मेरो है, गोपाल मेरो है, श्री बाके बिहारी नंदलाल मेरो है। गोविंद मेरो है, गोपाल मेरो है, श्री बाके बिहारी नंदलाल मेरो है। गोविंद मेरो है, गोपाल मेरो है, गोविंद मेरो है, गोपाल मेरो है, श्री बाके बिहारी नंदलाल मेरो है। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारे, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेवा।
It was a soothing performance by Srishti Singh. There is an ancient shloka derived from the scriptures to summarize the significance of a guru. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Para Brahma Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. A guru is remembered with great devotion and reverence. A guru is the one who has been given significance more than God. He teaches the lesson to people and lead them to glory. On this auspicious day, we should all introspect our life and pay our gratitude toward all those people who have played the important role of Guru in our life. Now, we have a recorded dance performance by Bhagyeshri Taru.
Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Shri Guruve
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि, गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि, गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि, एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय गणेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि, एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि, गणेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि।
It was a wonderful performance by Bhagyeshri. Now, I would like to call Anuja Nayak to express her thoughts on Guru Purnima.
Good morning, respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Today, on this promising day of Guru Purnima, I, Anuja Naik from SY BAC, want to share my thoughts on Guru. The term Guru derives its meaning from the combination of two Sanskrit Gu, which means darkness, and Ru, which means the remover of darkness. When one is blessed by Guru's knowledge and cohabitation, darkness in life fades away. Guru leads us to a blissful and satisfied life. They take us to the path of righteousness. There is one famous doha by Sant Kabir, that is, Guru Govind Dohu Khade, Kake Nagu Pai, Balihari Guru Apne, Govtiyo Bataye. In this, he is describing his dilemma that when Guru, my God, both are standing in front of me, who should I touch first? He touches his Guru's face and gives us a sermon that Guru gives us education and knowledge. Guru introduced the Almighty to us. Guru taught us how to feel peace and happiness in our life. So, we should always worship our Guru first and we should always be grateful to our Guru. Hereby, I thank every teacher for working hard on us.
Thank you, Anuja. India is considered to be a land of gurus, spiritual masters, and teachers. Guru Purnima is a major traditional festival that is celebrated throughout India with great favor and zeal by Hindus and Buddhists. The day is celebrated on the full moon of the Ashad month in the month of June or July. It is done to honor all the enlightened masters, gurus, and teachers who have dictated all their life towards self-realization and spreading enlightenment throughout the world without any self-gain. The day is widely celebrated to recognize the significant contribution of teachers in our life. It is a day to remind the importance of Guru and pay our respect to them.
Thank you, Shakti. Now we have a group dance performance by Rakeshwaran and team. Indeed, a great performance by Rakeshwaran and team. Now, I would hand over the mic to Shakti Swami.
I would now request our principal ma'am to speak a few words.
Good morning and a happy Guru Purnima to everyone. Before I could start, is there anyone who can talk to the students? Any of the gurus?
Yes.
Yes, please do. M. Sundar,
Yeah, sure.
please.
When a child is born, mother hugs him, hugs the child. The child learns how to drink milk. No one can teach, even a mother, to a child of 1 day but he learns. Only she creates a situation where there is a learning. So, mother is your first guru. If she is around, touch her feet. She will give you blessings. We are teachers. There is a difference between teachers and guru. Teachers teach. So you can say there is a good teacher and bad teacher. But in case you can't distinguish between a good guru and bad guru, because there is only learning. A guru may not be with you all the time. You require faith. For example, Ekalavya, he learned without Dronacharya's any training. Dronacharya comes and asks his thumb. Don't misunderstand. Asking Guru Dakshina, it means he agreed, he accepted to be his Guru. Why we need Guru at all, finally? For what reason? We want to be an intellect. We want happiness. We must have good character. These three things are possible only when there is learning from a guru. These three things are far superior than power, money, and qualifications. Believe me, a guru need not be a human being. He may be a guru may be a bird, sky, earth, snake. You can learn what to do, what not to do. Even if you learn what not to do, he will be your guru. So on this occasion, I tell you all, believe me, if your mother is around, just touch her feet. Remember your gurus. If mother is not there with you today, just remember. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Hem Sundar. Anybody else? Anybody else? Because it's all the time only me talking.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I request Neeta ma'am to speak a few words about it, please?
Oh yes, Neeta.
Ma'am, please can you speak a few words?
Neeta,
Yes, madam.
your student wants you. You
Yeah.
can't deny.
No, I won't. I won't deny. First of all my wishes to all my students. Last 2 years, we have met very less times face to face, but I definitely remember all of you all. I also wish to meet all of you all, because for any teacher, it is whatever is the wealth is her own students or his students. No other wealth a teacher has. And if I don't meet you, I don't think that is right or that is correct. So even I wish to meet you all. I hope this time also will pass, as Principal Madam always tells me, Neeta, this too will pass. So this time also will pass. We all will meet and we will have again our good old days of college. I give best wishes to all my students. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much.
Anybody else? Anybody else? Asha will conclude right after my speech,
Yeah, okay.
because I want the convener to speak.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So after I, you can conclude.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to talk, you can talk.
Yes, ma'am.
You want to talk now, you can talk.
Okay, I'll speak, ma'am. I'll speak, ma'am. Dear teachers and my students, a very happy Guru Purnima to all of you. My advice for this is that I think last week or so, I saw my money plant at home with hardly any leaves on it. But when I looked down, it was planted in the water. When I looked down, I found the roots are more than the number of leaves on the plant. I was looking at it and I sat down and I thought for a while, what could be the reason that the money plant is with few leaves and lot of roots? So if I take, literally people would make fun of me saying that your money is flowing out, that is why the leaves are not flourishing. But later when I sat and thought about it, I understood that the roots have to be grounded very well, only then the leaves would sprout. So another example what I would like to give you is, you take the comparison between the plants which are potted and the plants which are on the ground. The plants which are potted, they have very less growth compared to the ones which are very widely growing in the ground. So as students, I would like to say two things. One is that your roots should be very well grounded. So which can be taken and imbibed from the teachers all around you. Right now you are in a college, so you get the best of the knowledge, wisdom, without expecting anything back. We are ready to give you all the knowledge that we have, all the wisdom that we have to you. Get your roots grounded and grow wild. Learn the best of the wisdom around the world. With this, I conclude my words. Thank you and happy Guru Purnima to all.
Thank you, Asha. Anybody more? I think I'll take on. Very good morning and a happy Purnima. I am amazed by the students mobilizing and having this day to show their respect and reverence to the teacher. A very, very nice gesture by our students. Thank you, my dear students, for remembering us on this day. This day is a full moon day of the Ashad month. The day is observed by paying respect to the teachers of the Gurus who have guided you and imparted knowledge to you with their own knowledge and teachings. The day is usually celebrated to mark the birth anniversary of Ved Vyasa, the author and a character in the epic Mahabharata. Now, the disciples of Lord Buddha commemorate this as Buddha Purnima. On this day, disciples offer puja, they worship and they pay respects to their guru or their spiritual guide. In addition to the religious importance, the festival has importance for Indian academics and scholars. Indian academicians celebrate this day by thanking all their teachers as well as remembering their past teachers and scholars. In fact, like Hemsundar said, everyone who teaches you every small thing becomes your guru, be it a good teacher or be it a bad teacher. Guru is from the Sanskrit word. Gu means darkness. Ru is removing. So the removal of darkness is Guru. And I am for sure to tell you that I have always learned from a bad teacher also that what not I should do in the class. What I should do in the class is a good teacher. But I've also learned most importantly what I should not do in the class from some of the teachers who could not deliver to me. Very, very few of them. But I've also learned a great deal from most of my good teachers. And they are not necessarily classroom teachers. They were my NCC commander, they were my dance teacher, they were my music teacher, there was my moral science teacher. You know, I remember my moral science teacher when I was in my convent, when all the Christian girls used to go to the Holy Communions to the church. I was alone in the classroom and she taught me a great deal of things in the moral science classroom about quiz and about debates and about moral stories. No, she was Lekha Johnson. I still remember her. I've learned a lot about principles, and she always used to tell me, don't ever give up your principles in life. Stick to it, maintain it. I have learned a great deal from my moral science teacher and my NCC commander. Now, the parents give birth to the child, but it is the guru who molds the talents in the children and bring about the best in them and lead them to a way of life. He or she brings out the best picture of a complete person. The very best qualities of a teacher. You know, teachers are selfless. I will always highlight two good qualities. One is they are selfless and they impart knowledge. And giving is an essential quality of a teacher. Giving is a great way of living. If you are not able to give anything to your students, you cannot become a teacher. That is what is known as selflessness. Nothing is within. You give it out, you impart. And giving, even in the Bhagavad Gita, giving mentions giving without expectations. Giving with expectations is not giving. Giving without expectations is known as enlightened giving. And that is where teachers stand above all because of their enlightened giving. They never think I must hold this to me. A student comes, cries or laughs or whatever, they give their advice, counsel, whatever they want to give, they give their instructions. And this is the innate quality of a teacher. And once in an interview, an IAS interview, a man was asked, which do you think is the greatest of all profession? A soldier or a doctor or a teacher or a social activist or an advocate or whatsoever? The fellow replied, the teacher. And asked to, each one said one answer, one said doctor, one said this, noblest of service. But only one person said teacher and asked why a teacher. He said for all making these professions, you need a teacher. To become a doctor, you need a teacher. To become a soldier, you need a teacher. To become anybody, you need a teacher. So the teacher is the essence of the society. She rebuilds the society. She makes the society. She develops the society. Another good quality about the teacher is she has no jealousy. That is what I meant by selflessness. You know, many of my students are minting dollars. They are abroad. They send an email from the London School of Economics, whom I have recommended there. And I feel so happy and nice that they are there. You walk on the road, a doctor teacher student tells me, hello ma'am, I didn't know who she is. She told me I was in your FC class and you taught me about so much of values. And she's a doctor. On the road she calls me. You know, it's such a happy thing for a teacher always to see her student higher placed than her. And that is another great quality about a teacher, that there is no jealousy and she is selfless. And a very plus quality to my teachers, I would say today, for being a teacher, is that you are always young, you are always fresh because you are in touch with youth. In no other profession, you are destined to one-to-one, the same old boss, the same old man or some other man commanding you. But in student, you have a live 120 fresh faces. Forget the Facebook. You have fresh faces, live faces, 16, 17, 18-year-olds, and that makes you fresh. Very essential. I always feel happy when I am in the class to teach students because I am seeing 120 fresh faces, different emotions on their faces, different styles, different dresses, different cultures, diversified set of students. In no other profession you get this opportunity to see a variety of students. So, my dear students, thank you for making our day. Thank you for being with us. Follow the path of the Guru. The shine will come to you. You will be the star of your life. When you find a good Guru, you conquer the whole world. And finding a good Guru is important. As I said, a good or a bad virtue, a good or a bad thing is always taught by a Guru or a teacher. They make your world. They are your role model. And we do a Sashtanga Namaskar to to the Guru. You know that namaskar is something is conveys, I surrender to thee. And the essential quality in that surrender to thee is your humility. And whatever you be at the top of the world, if you are not humble, you are not appreciated, you are not revered, you are not respected. So that is what we have to learn from all the saints who tell us, love thy neighbor as thyself, and be humble, be polite, be kind. No religion teaches you about violence. And I pray all the students to get into good virtues and moral values and bring SIW as a stamp that I am an SIW student. I carry this pride with me. I carry this image with me. And that is the award or the reward you are giving to your great teachers who are with you today. Thank you. Thank you all the gurus. Thank you all the students, and good luck to you all. Thank you very much. Thank you for the student council, Asha and her entire team for making the day of the Guru Purnima, adapting to situations, doing it online, the dancers with the background. It was too good. Congratulate each and every one of you who participated in the program also. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, and for your enlightening and wise words. I would like Sharon Israel to deliver the vote of thanks.
Good morning to all. I deem it is a great honor and privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this memorable function. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's function a resounding success. Albert Einstein once said, "It is the supreme art of a teacher or guru to awaken joy in creative expression and knowledge." We are here to celebrate this art, and those artists, they are our beloved teachers. We call them our second parent. Parent gave us birth, but teachers teach us how to be a good human being. Words are not enough to appreciate the hard work and dedication of teachers in molding our future. First and foremost, I would like to thank the management of the SIWS College for their immense support. I would like to thank our principal ma'am for her words of encouragement. Her able guidance has always encouraged us. I thank her for her kindness, her interest, her hospitality, and continued support. I thank her unstinted support for this function. My heartfelt thanks to all Vice Principal, HODs, and head of various departments and faculty for their valuable contribution, guidance, and encouragement in all our efforts. I owe special thanks to all teaching and non-teaching staff as well. Last but not the least, I thank all the student council members and teachers for your cooperation in making this function a great success. Finally, I end my vote of thanks by an inspiring quote by Martin Luther King. An individual has not started living until he rises above the confines of his individualistic concern to the broader concern of all humanity. Once again, I thank all for your attention. Thank you. Asriyar Dina Nalvaltikal.
Guru Purnima Shubhashayaha.
Supeksha.
Guru Purnima di Vadaiya.
गुरु पौर्णिमेच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा.
गुरु पूर्णिमा की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं.
We wish all the teachers a very happy Guru Purnima.
Guru Purnima.
Thank you one and all.
Thank you.
Thank you everybody, especially the students.
Thank you.